Here is another tip for those of you who are going to be building stairs for a wood deck. And you're going to be running the lumber in this direction so that the front part of it will be used as the last step on the set of stairs. And that would be to avoid using center cut lumber. You can see here where the center of the tree is in almost every one of these pieces of lumber. And for those of you who don't know much about lumber, the center of the tree is probably the worst part you can have in a piece of lumber because it will cause it to bow, twist, or cup. And what we're dealing with here is the lumber cupping. And you're not going to have that with composite lumber. It's probably not going to happen. And if for whatever reason you can't find lumber without any center cuts in it, then you should consider at the very least using more than one screw or nail like they did here. For example, on 2x6 decking material like this, I like to use 2 nails or 2 screws spaced about 3/4 of an inch away from the edge. And that can, at the very least, reduce the chances of it cupping or eliminate it happening entirely. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out some of our other videos on YouTube. And if you can't find the videos on YouTube, make sure that you visit our website to find a complete organized list of all of the videos we've made so far.